Can you see my screen? Assalamu alaikum. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, we are seeing.
Okay. My name is Najibu Aliyu, an intern at Hammad Technologies on Consultancy Limited. Welcome to day 6 for capacity building training for 1,000 Nigerian civil servants on ICT, which organized by Hammad Technologies on Consultancy Limited. Outline Here is our outlines for day 6. Recap on day 5, user account, then email communication, Q&A, then conclusion. Yesterday, Mala Abdul Muhammad taught us about keyboard. Keyboard is an input device used to type text, number, and command into a computer. With keyboard, we can type a text, like when we are typing a cover letter or CV or or proposal, and we are with our keyboard, we can give our computer command to do us some tasks, to complete our tasks using some keys inside our keyboard. Then we have part then we have part of keyboard. Alphanumeric keyboard is the combination between letters and numbers. Alpha stand for alphabet, then numeric stand for numbers. Then yesterday we talked about function keys, which is from F1 to F12. Then we talked about control keys, which is control alt, which is control and alt. It can use on themselves without some keys inside our keyboard. When we hold keyboard and alt, only them. We don't touch any keyboard inside our keys, nothing will happen. But when we hold keyboard, then we press like Control Z. When we press Control and Z, something will happen. Then navigation keys. We have arrow keys. Arrow keys stand for movement keys, up, down, right, and left. We can scroll our cursor using these four movement keys. Then we have home page, home, and end. Then we have page, then we have page up and page down, where we can use it inside our Microsoft Word. When we want to go to our footer, we can use page down. When we want to come back to our header, we can use page up. Then numeric keypad. Numeric keypad, normally many computers don't have this numeric keypad, but some computers have it. They are in right side of our computer. Then yesterday we talked about special keys. Special keys, we have enter. Enter, we use enter when we want to execute something, when we want to open a file, or we want to open a folder, we can use enter. Then when we want to give a paragraph using a Microsoft Word, we can use enter. Then spacebar. When you want to give space for like a inside Microsoft Word to Word, we can press spacebar. Then backspace. We use backspace when we want to write, when we want to delete a when we want to delete a when we want to delete a text from right hand side. we want to delete a something from right hand side. Then delete, we use delete when we want to delete a something from left hand side. Then shift, we use shift when we want to enter like add or semicolon or dollar sign or another sign. Then caps lock, we use caps lock to caps our letters to be capital letters only, to be capital letters. When you turn on our caps lock, our all letters will be all capital letter. Then tab, we use tab when we want to give double space. When you use tab is like double space. Double space is it is like double space. Then user account have then user account let people in login in and use a computer keeps file and settings safe. Like like two people have a one computer, they can have all their user account. They can create their user account separately. Everyone can use with his user account different name, different passport, and different files, everything. If I have user account and my brother have his user account, I can't see what is inside his user account, and he can't see what is inside my user account. But if he know my password, he can enter my user account to see my documents or my files. But if he don't know my password, he can't enter my user account. Then user account, you can open user account, many user accounts, not one, not two. We can open many user account and it will keep your files safely, safety. Nothing will happen with your file, and not anyone can see your file without he know your password. And user account have very important like for staff, everyone can get his user account to work on his user account without he 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 see what his colleague doing. Everything in his user account will be okay and will be safety. We will see how to we will see how to create a user account, how to add new user account inside our PC. Then email communication, send message over internet, fast and low cost. Like in the company, you can send your like cover letter or CV on the on the company email when they are looking for the for for like a vacancy, or when they are looking for the employees, they can drop their emails and they can say send your email using the send your CV using this email. Then email will be then your message will go more faster, no any cost, no any charges. Like when we are using like when you are calling using MTN or Etisalat or Glo, they will cost you more fees. Then sometimes issue of network, poor network, or they will cost you more money. And email have more important. You can you can you can draft your some files inside your email, like like some some important message that you want to archive inside your email. Email have more features, then it is more faster than calls. Hello, can you see me? Can you hear me? Hello,
Yes, of course, we are hearing you.
hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we are hearing you. Yes, you
Okay,
can continue. We are hearing you.
I will share my screen to see how we can open new user account. I will share my screen to see how we can open new user account. Firstly, you can see my screen. Hello, can you see my
We
screen?
can see your screen. We can see. We can see.
Can you see my screen? Okay, let us start.
Yes, we can.
Firstly,
Yes, we
we're
can see
gonna
your screen. You can
search
continue.
control panel. We're gonna search control panel. Control panel. Here is our control panel. We go insert. Then someone disturbing us. Then we go to user accounts. Then we go to user accounts again. Then we go to here, manage another account. Then add a new account user in this piece, in the piece. Are you with me? Hello, are you with me?
Yes, we are with you.
Okay. Then we click here, add someone else to this PC. It will start. Then we wait for it to finish loading. Sorry, because my network is connected with my computer. I have to I have to enter my Gmail first. Then it will continue. I have to enter my Gmail first. if your computer is not connected, it will never show you that. We will come here to add a family member. Add a family member. Then create for a child. It just show me this because my computer is connected. Here is our our user account that we have added. But if our computer is not connected, it will show us to enter our username, then our password, then confirm our password, then to show us, to ask us some question, then we answer the questions. Then the question have more important to us when we forgot our password. To raise our password, they will ask us to answer the questions. Then if we answer the questions, they will raise our passport. Here, I will enter here, change account type. Then if you want to leave it standard user, you will leave it. If you want to leave it as administrator, you will change it to administrator. We leave it standard user. Then now, if you look our system, if you look it, it will show us two accounts, my account and the new account that I have added now. Let me share the screen to see how to log the new user account. We'll come back here. Then we come here. Here is the logo of user account. We can change our account. We can switch our account here. We replace here. It will show us two accounts. If we look our system, we look it. Let me share the screen for you. We'll go again inside the control panel. Again, user account. Again, user account. Then change user account controller setting. Here is our account that we have added here. Here is our account. If you want to manage it, or we want to change the account name or type, or we want to delete the account, we will delete it or manage another account. I want to show you how to log. I want to show you how to log an account. Can you hear my screen? Hello. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen. I can see
Okay.
your screen.
When I look it, you can see it. When it show my wallpaper background, you can show it. Hello. Hello. When I look my computer, you can show it. Okay. We came here for the window. Yeah. Here is our new account. If you don't want to log it, here is the other account, my own account. Here is the account we open. We'll come, we'll come here. We'll touch the window logo. It will show us here. We'll come to touch this user account photo. Then we'll touch this three dot. Then, then now we can sign it to our new account. But if we sign in, it it will take more time to open. Let me sign it. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Go ahead, sir. We are hearing you.
If I change the account, it will take more time to open. Let us start the email practical. Let me open my. Can you hear my screen? Can you see my screen? Hello. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Okay, here is my then subject again. She, that data collection. Then we send the message to the email that we want. Yeah, directly the email will go directly to the email we put here. Then sometimes when someone send us message, we can see our message in inbox. Then we go come here to check in our spam. Some message can come here in our spam. We can find some message here. It will come here. Our message, some message can't come here in inbox. Then we come here in our spam. Then we check. Then here is the message, all message that you sent with your email. Here, it's all message that you send with your email. All message that you send with your email here. Then here in draft, message that you start writing that you have not completed, it will come here in drafts. If you want to continue the message, you can customize it and continue and send it to the email that you want. Then here there is some email message that come here, more important message that come here. You can come here to check it. It is for important, it is for important email message here. Let me go back to the presentation. Hello, can you see my screen? Hello, can you see my screen?
yes, yes.
Okay. You see how to open new user account, and how to send an email message. The the account user, when you go offline to open it, it will never show you that thing that it shows us. If you go offline, when your computer is off network, it will show you to to enter your username, then password, then confirm password, then it will ask you to fill some questions, 3 questions. The question is required. When you fill the questions, it will let you to create the new account. The question have more important. When you forget your password, your login password, you can rest it with the question that they ask you paste. When you enter the question that they ask you, they will allow you to enter your user account. That is all. You can drop your question in the chat. Hello.
Hi.
If you have a question, you can drop your question in the chat. If you have a question, you can drop your questions.
I think since they are not responding, maybe there are no more questions. So we thank you for today's presentation, Najibu. We really appreciate what you do today.
Okay.